on music right now. يعني my house is so loud because I don't know why. So the first question, there's only one question, which is really sad, but that's okay. Yeah. Where are you from? I'm from Syria. I'm not pronouncing this. Sorry. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is red and light blue. Who inspired you to make this channel? Udo Unicorn and tons of more YouTubers. What's your favorite animal? My favorite animal is a puppy. Are you actually the Hulk? Yes, I am.